Very good morning, children. So today we'll start a new chapter: weather, climate, and adaptations of animals to climate. Weather, climate, and adaptation. Adaptations of animals to climate. Then what is adaptation? See, adapt means adjusting and staying to that particular environment. Completely adjusting to that particular environment. For example, and once they are confined, they confined or adjusting, confined. They are confined. Some of animals or some of living beings are confined to that particular area. For example, yak is there. It is found in mountainous region. Polar bear is there. It is found in very cold climatic condition. So these are said to be adapted to that particular environment, adjust to the particular environment. Okay. So these words are little typical, and you might have heard this word. Okay. So do you remember the things that you were asked to pack when you were heading for a hill station? Suppose sometimes you are allowed to move towards hill station. Okay. So when you are made to move towards hill station, you are made to pack some of the materials. When the sky is cloudy, your parents insist that you carry an umbrella. Suppose the sky is cloudy. So what parents will tell? They insist you to wear leather jacket or even carry umbrella. Carrying umbrella, or they insist to, nowadays they tell you to wear jacket. So have you heard elders in your family discuss the weather before planning a family function? Suppose your elders are planning a family function. So before that, when they are planning a particular date or time and all, they'll think about the weather conditions. They will be talking whether what is the weather, वातावरण ಹೆಂಗೈತಿ, program whether you should conduct or not, like this. Okay. Even if you must have also heard the expert discussing the weather before the start of a game. I think this is quite common, which you heard. So experts discussing about weather report. So whenever there is IPL match, even your ICCA, whatever the matches you see in cricket, football, or whatever the matches you watch in the television, there before the start of that particular game or event, there will be some weather experts, and they come to the ground. They will give clear weather report, clear picture about the weather condition in that particular area. Okay. So like they say, what is the maximum temperature, what is the minimum temperature, in what direction the rain may not come, rain may come, or how the pitch report. So everything will be given by that particular experts before the start of the event, especially cricket and your football and other events also. It has a profound effect on our lives. So almost all this weather have affected or have given a special effect on our lives. Many of our daily activities are planned based on the weather predicted for the day. So whatever the daily activities we plan or we perform, or we plan according to the what? Weather condition, according to the weather condition of our place of staying, or wherever you are going, you are plan according to that weather predicted for that particular day. So there are daily reports of the weather on the television. I think you know very well. Daily reports will be available on the weather daily weather reports will be given by the weather report experts. Okay, like they say minimum temperature, maximum temperature. You can watch news, especially English news. If you watch English news or even Kannada news also, and they show every whatever the maximum what is temperature. So maximum temperature today it was 20 degrees Celsius. Minimum it was 20, maximum it was 26, 27, like this. Once you go to watch the TV, you will get little clear idea about the weather report and weather condition. So daily reports on TV will be there, radio will be there, and even nowadays your Android mobiles, almost all your Android mobiles will be having a clear idea of temperature. Suppose there is a temperature. If it is more, it shows the particular temperature like 32 degrees Celsius and all. And even humidity, whether climate is humid or not. Or even sometimes it will show the like cloudy. If it is cloudy, it shows cloud like this. In your mobiles also, you can see the cloudy, and they will tell about areas, which area is cloudy and where there may be raining. So these all are available nowadays in your Android mobiles also. And even newspaper also, TV, radio, newspaper also they give other report, maximum, minimum and all. Okay. But do you know that what this weather really is? After studying about this all, actually in reality, do you know what is actually this weather? What is weather actually? Okay. In this chapter, we will study about the weather and climate. See, we cannot say climate is same, weather is same. Climate is different and weather is different. They have different meanings. Even though they resemble same, but little difference in there is there with them. We also see how different forms of life are adapted to that environment, so to the climate of that particular habitat. So how different organisms are adapted to that particular climate of the habitat. Okay. Then we will try to know what is weather. So just you can see a simple weather report from a newspaper. In newspaper, if you check there, they give maximum 16 degrees Celsius. What did they give? Maximum 16 degrees Celsius, or sometimes it may be in minus also. 5 means 16 minus 5, 11 it may be. So minimum is 26 degrees Celsius, or even it may be this much also. It may be reduced, minus 4. Then sunset. They give the time of sunset also. Sunday sunset at what time? At 5:45 or 5:41 p.m. Sunrise will be at 2:15 a.m. Even they give day also. Day, Wednesday. Or even Thursday, like this, whatever it is, Wednesday. Moonset also, the moonset, 12:30 a.m. Even moonrise also, moonset also is there. Moonset. This is actually it comes on Tuesday. Moonset on Wednesday will be 11:13 a.m. Okay. Moonrise, because at 6 or 7 o'clock, if it says today at 7 o'clock, there will be moonrise in the morning also, or even sometimes night also. Like you get 11:05 p.m. in the night, 11:05 p.m. night. Okay. Again, see, mist fog in the morning, partly cloudy. What are the reports? Mist is there or fog is there in the morning, and the sky is partly cloudy. Minimum temperature will be around 4 degrees Celsius. Maximum humidity on Monday. See, again they give temperature what? Minimum, if the temperature is humid, minimum temperature is around 4 degrees, very cold. And maximum humidity on Monday. Maximum humidity means on Monday 83%, and the minimum is 37%, and the minimum is 37%. So this is the complete weather report, a format of weather report from a newspaper. Newspaper completely it is given, it will complete clear picture today you will get. Okay. So the weather reports are prepared by Meteorological Department of Government. So this weather report, there is a department called Meteorological Department of Government. So government is having one department called Meteorological Department. So based on the satellite study, they give the report daily. The department collects data on temperature, wind, etc. and makes the weather prediction. So this department people, they will collect data of wind is there, temperature is there, or pressure is there, or atmospheric pressure is there. So these all data they will be collecting who? Department of Meteorology. Then they will prepare the weather report. Okay. So here one activity is given, you can try in your home. You can check your Android phones and even TV. Better is you just sit in front of TV and daily you can complete the activity. Activity number 7.1. So suppose date today is 19, 20, you can write 20 date 2010 2020. What means there? You write maximum temperature, minimum humidity, maximum humidity, then rainfall, how much rainfall is falling, or if it is not, you can write dash, no rainfall. Okay. Rainfall may be recorded for all these days since it may not rain every day. No need to record the rainfall because it may not rain every day. Leave the space for rainfall blank if the data is not available. If you don't get the data, leave it. Otherwise, you can fill. Okay. So activity 7.1 will be your homework, so that you can sit and watch television news or even radio or whatever the source you get, you complete the table 7.1. Okay. So how rainfall is measured? Rainfall is measured by an instrument called rain gauge. A rain gauge will allow us to measure the rainfall. It is basically a measuring cylinder with a funnel on the top to collect rainfall. Nothing is there. Rain gauge is having only one measuring cylinder with funnel on the top plus funnel on the top to collect water. Only this much. So based on water quantity present collected in that particular rain gauge or measuring cylinder, which is a mixture of combination of measuring cylinder and funnel, you will get the rainfall at that particular area.